What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a hard reset on your circuit board. So your control head might look a little bit different than this one, but as long as you have the same circuit board here, the process is the same. Now the reason why you might want to do a hard reset is if your settings are wigging out for whatever reason, or you can't figure it out, or you just want to go back to the default settings. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty easy. You can take a small little screwdriver like this. You're going to have access to all the dip switches right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dip switches. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your little screwdriver, flip them all to the on position, which is up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back down. And you're going to see it kind of move on its own. That means it's doing a factory reset on all the settings. Just like that. You want to make sure that after you flip them up, that you flip them back down to where they should be, except number 7 here. If you look at number 7, it says 0.75 of an inch or 1 inch. That means 3/4 of an inch or 1 inch. You want to put it to where the size of your plumbing is, or the size of your bypass. This one is a 1 inch, so we're going to leave it up on the 1 inch part here. So if you look at the bypass and the plumbing, this is 1 inch. If your plumbing was 3/4 inch, which is a little bit smaller, you would flip that switch down accordingly to where it says 3/4 of an inch. And again, the reason why you might want to do it is if your settings are off, you can't figure out what the default settings are, or if your water softener in general is just spazzing out, it's probably good to do a hard reset on the circuit board and just get it back to the default settings. All right, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I saved you a $200 service call fee, which is, I know, pretty expensive, from Culligan, but if you appreciate it, please subscribe to my channel. That's all I ask in return. Thanks.